This is no secret. This year, it's been stressful. So giving the gift of self-care is a fun way to pamper your loved ones this season. Joining us is beauty expert Grace Gold with indulgent ideas that are affordable. Everything today is under $30. And already I'm surprised with what you have here that it's all under $30.
Yes, I did some searching for everybody, and these are great ideas, starting with moisturizer. It's always exciting to try something new, right?
Yeah, I do. When you change seasons, you want to change your moisturizer. I mean, you really do.
Exactly. So a great new winter moisturizer to try is the new Olay Regenerist Ultra Rich Moisturizer. Why they did this, 28% of women, they want more moisture from their skincare all day, but we don't want those greasy, heavy trade-offs.
Yes.
So what they've done is used a special shea butter blend that is rich and creamy in texture, long-lasting hydration. It's got vitamin B3 in there, which helps with cell turnover, as well as peptides, which are clinically proven to smooth and firm skin, and we all can use that. I know that you've been using this. I brought this
because
for
you showcased this once before, and it's such a great product. I have been using it. It feels really hydrating, but not greasy, which I like. I just don't like that feel, that greasy feel on my face.
Exactly. So this is also non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog your pores or any breakouts. There's a fragrance-free version as well, and this is under $30 at Olay.com, and right now Olay.com is doing 25% off for the holidays, so go take a look. Also, your local retailer may have curbside pickup.
Very good. Let's move on to these sets. These are very popular because, you know, it's an easy gift to give, I think, but also it's always liked. Even if you give me this every year, I would like a body set.
Exactly. So this brand is Bayless and Harding. It's an iconic British brand with over 50 years of gifting heritage. It is the #1 female gifting brand in the UK. Exciting. They are now launching here in the USA at Walmart stores and Walmart.com. 24 affordable and luxurious bath body gift sets for all your family and friends. They've got guys as well as women. Now, I'm going to blow your mind, Amy. Those gifts on the bottom there are $4.98.
I gotta look.
Yes, including that luxury hand cream set. Isn't that beautiful? There's nothing over $25. Beautiful range of fragrances, English touches you can see in the packaging. Again, this is just at Walmart.
And candles. From Bath and Body Works.
Oh my gosh,
enough said.
I love gifting the 3-wick candles from Bath and Body Works, and you told me the producer was just at the sale, so
yeah,
they got
out there.
lots of great sales going on. What is so great about this 3-wick design? It's room-filling fragrance. It's got an even melt pool, patented soy wax blend with natural essential oils, quality lead-free wicks, a gentle flame, and that is going to give you incredible fragrance from the moment you light it until it is done. They've got over 100 different holiday styles to choose from, beautiful Christmas ones. That fresh balsam is my favorite, Amy. I love burning that one. I was writing Christmas cards and burning that last night.
Pretending, yeah. Like, I know, I have a fake tree, but I put it on so I pretend I have a real tree.
BathAndBodyWorks.com.
Very good. Hair care.
Yeah, so another great gift, shampoo, conditioner. We all need something really moisturizing for the winter time. This is one of my favorites, Rue Weightless Precious Cells collection. It's oil collection, and they've got a luminous shampoo, a weightless conditioner, restorative hair mask. And what is so special about it, it has 8 precious oils. So there is argan, olive, avocado, coconut, sunflower, castor, sweet almond, and jojoba.
That really feel nice.
You can just feel how good it makes you feel. Softness, shine, without weighing your hair down. I've got fine hair. I use it. Also no sulfates, so it's great for color-treated hair. The restorative hair mask, if you're going to get one item, that's a great little stocking stuffer, but they are only $9.99 each. Yeah. SallyBeauty.com as well as Amazon.
Oh, Sally's so fun. Sally's such a fun place to be. And then finally, quickly, lips.
Yeah, so this is Jane Iredale Holiday Lip Kits. Now this is a clean beauty brand, beautiful creamy shades. I've got Dazzle, which is a brick red and a rosy pink, as well as Shimmer, which is a sheer nude and a creamy coral. You get the jumbo pencil sharpener, whichever one you choose. This is just $25. They are doing free shipping. JaneIredale.com. This is a very luxury, clean brand, so $25 for that set is really good.
Oh, great ideas, great ideas. Get your shopping on. Thanks, Grace. We'll see you back here tomorrow.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.